Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do an accordion comb slide break. Obviously, knowing how to do combs, slide breaks and accordions would be helpful, but actually as long as you've done a normal comb and a normal accordion, you're going to be good. Links in the description below. It looks like this. Goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So let's break it down. It starts off right to right like a standard accordion. We go semicircle back. We're going to offer our left hand towards a lady. Basically thumb pointing to the right, palm towards a lady. Lady's not going to try and take it because it's too far away, but she's going to know to take it as we move in. So as we move in, ladies come in, we're going to go thumb gap to thumb gap. And as we come close, we're going to lift the right, taking the left over the lady's head, then taking the right up, so the lady's looking away, bringing the left down to finish bringing the lady round. Guys, we're going to twist a little bit to the right, so the right goes over our head. Then we'll bring the left over the lady's head. We're going to hang on to those fingertips on our right shoulder, guys. We're going to let go with the left and put the palm between the lady's shoulder blades so we can lead her forwards as we walk backwards. Going to walk for a couple of counts. We're going to let go with the right, we're going to push with the left, slide, keeping our hand on the arm all the way down to the hand, and then all we've got to do is the travel and return, because the lady had energy away from us in the slide. We can then use that energy to bounce through into a travelling return as opposed to a standard return. If you don't find you've got enough oomph moving away, do your return on the spot. Okay, so let's think about numbers. We go back, 1, return, 2, pair of combs, 3, walking, 4 and 5, slide to the hand, 6, returning 7 and 8. And of course we didn't want to do a travelling return then because we'd stopped because we're doing it slow. If you speed it up, you'll find the travelling return comes naturally. So let's see if it works. Here we go. 5, a 6, accordion comb slide break. We go a back, round, combs, walk, walk, out, over and look, and that's it. Hope you've enjoyed it. We'll be back next time with another intermediate modern jive move. Music recommendation on the end, something nice to practice to. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you help promote the channel, which we really do appreciate, and you'll know every time a new video comes out. And finally, as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.